Since the year 2024, the crypto market never recover back. And right now, if you must trade crypto at all, if you want to be a profitable crypto trader, then you need to have a strategy. And for this reason, I'm giving you one of my evergreen crypto trading strategy that has been working for me for the past few years, and up to now this strategy still works. So if you're in for this update, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's just dive straight right onto today's tutorial. For you to know this spot arbitrage strategy actually works, here are some of my history. So right here, I purchase XRP. This is XRP right here. I purchased 200 USDT worth of XRP right here. That is what you can see right here. And right here, the same BNB I purchased at 300 USDT, I sold it at 305.3 USDT. So if you scroll up right here, I purchased another coin, that is WLFI. This WLFI I purchased, let me check how many units I purchased. Let me check. So I purchased 266 worth of WLFI. So let's scroll up and let's see how much I was able to make out of this guy. Let's scroll up. So right here, I sold the same coin. I sold this coin at 88 USDT. So right here, this is the sell order of the same WLFI. The coin were sold in different batches. So 88 USDT, 110 USDT. Then right here, another 9.99 USDT. One amazing thing about this spot arbitrage is that you can be doing it on multiple crypto coins, and you can be doing it multiple times on daily basis. Why I love this type of trading so much is because the risk is very minimal compared to future trading. So let me quickly show you how you can do this. It's actually very easy. You can be using different crypto exchanges to carry out this particular trading, but for this particular one, I'm going to be using my Bybit. So for your Bybit, come to your home page, make sure your account is fully verified. Okay, so once your account is fully verified, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to decide on which of the coin you want to be trading on. You have to decide on which of the coin you want to be trading on. So for this particular one, let's say we want to be trading on XRP. So right here, this is XRP. Presently XRP is trading at 1.4176 US dollar. So right here is XRP. So right here on your XRP, you are going to open the chart, and let's go for the day candle. Right, let's go for the day candle. That is the daily candle, 24 hours candle. So right here, you are going to be seeing the past chart and the current chart on XRP, and we are on the daily chart. So right here, what is the current price of XRP? XRP is actually trading at $1.4170 presently. So we need to find out where the resistance of XRP is. That is what is going to tell us the best price you can be buying XRP. So based on this chart right here, we have the support of XRP sitting at 1.4248. That is the closest support of XRP. And if you also want to do more analysis, you are going to be seeing we see our further support at $1.3457. But before it's reached this level, then we are going to be seeing this guy doing $1.4248. So if you want to buy your XRP right now, you can either be targeting from 1.3457 US dollar. That is this support right here, from this price to around $1.4248. So you can be buying from 1.3457 to around 1.4248 US dollar. So you can target to buy at any of this price. And what you can do to just not stress yourself for any reason is for you to use what is called the limit order. So how can you use the limit order? Before we get to that level, right here we need to know the resistance as well. So the resistance is sitting at this level right here. Look at the resistance sitting at this level. That is 1.4322. that is the current resistance of SRP. Okay, so now that we know the resistance and we know the support, the next thing that we are going to be doing right now is for us to enter the limit order. That is the buy limit order and the sell limit order. So if you come right here to where it says buy, this is buy right here. So right here on this buy, you are going to enter the amount of price you want to be buying your XRP, right? So let's set it right here. So once you are here, make sure you set your trading like this. Make sure you set your buy order like this. Enter the price you want to be buying your XRP from. So right here you can decide to enter $1.34, or you buy at 1.41 US dollar. If you really want to take a fast trade, right, you can decide to enter it at a very closer support instead of going for the further support of 1.34 US dollar. If you actually want to make much more profit, going for the lesser support of 1.34 is actually the best. But if you want to take a fast trade, you can enter it at 1.41 US dollar. So once you are here, the next thing you are going to do is for you to enter the quantity of SRP you want to be buying. You can decide to say you want to be buying $100 worth of SRP, $50 worth of SRP. You can even be buying as low as $10 worth of SRP. You are still good to go. So once you are done with that, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to come straight down right here and click on where it says buy. Once you click on where it says buy right here, the order is going to be taken on your behalf. And once that is done, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come right here to where it says sell. Right here on sell, you are going to enter the amount of price you want to be selling your SRP. You can decide to say you want to sell at 1.45 right here, and after that you scroll down and decide the quantity you want to be selling. You can decide to sell 50%, 20%, or 100%. Once you are done, then click on sell. Then immediately your sell order hits 1.45 US dollar is going to be taken on your behalf, and you will take your profit. That is how easy this spot arbitrage is. So guys, as you can see, to become a profitable crypto trader or to remain a profitable crypto trader, you really need a strategy. If this strategy I've given to you, if you think it's making sense, or if you think you have been using this strategy before, drop a comment in the comment section. And if you think you want a strategy like this, or you want me to make much more video about this strategy, also drop your comment in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. You can join all our social media platforms, the Telegram, the WhatsApp. Over there you can have direct access to me, and we also do share ideas right on our forum. So if you want to be part of our forum, just use the link right on this video description. You can see this video right here, or see this one right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.